What's up, YouTube? Okay, so today we're going to talk strictly about edges. All right, which is why my hair is still in twists and I'm just not ready to take them down. You know what I'm saying? My hair is in twists, in a bun back here, solely for this video because I'm just not ready to take my twist down. I thought about it. I was like, I ain't going nowhere today. Why am I taking my hair down? And then I have a reason. So that's why I just pulled my hair back and we just talking about edges anyway. Edges. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all some edge controls that I use on my hair that work great. Okay, I have a little bit of a collection right here that I use frequently, so I'm just gonna show y'all these and you can choose from this selection, or you know, if you have an edge control that you go hard for, go ahead and use that too. So starting off, the first one is Exclusive Luxe Edge Control. Okay, found this girl on Instagram. Her stuff is absolutely bomb, and I ain't lying when I say this. You know what I'm saying? This stuff really works. Okay, really works. Just let y'all know that. Okay, the second one is She Is Bomb Edge Control. It look like that. You know what I'm saying? Now I just bought this one. 24-hour Edge Tamer EBIN. But I have the purple top up there on my shelf, so. Style Factor. Stay true to Style Factor, okay? You know what I'm saying? Style Factor will have your edges laid in seconds. Style Factor, listen. Look. The proof is in the container, okay? Depending on if the container is full, that's how you know if I fuck with it or not. Well, not with this one because I just bought this. I just bought this. And I just bought this one too. This is the Lavender Edge Glaze. I just bought this. One of my subscribers told me to try this, so yeah. I love the smell though. Okay. And so yeah, that's my little collection. I have more up there. I just took what I felt like carrying from my shelf. So, what to use today? I don't know. So what you're gonna do, you need an edge brush, okay? Now, I like for my edge brush to be have a little extra stuff in there. You know what I mean? So it can be hard, you know? That's just my preference because I feel like it works better. But I mean, you know, I do clean my brushes. Like, don't think I just don't clean my brushes. Like, I definitely clean my brushes when I think it's time for me to clean my brushes. That's just it, because that's just me, you know what I'm saying? So, what you want to do is you want to pull out what you want. And I swear this isn't a bald spot. This is just how I parted my hair. So don't dare come for me. You feel me? Okay. So you just want to get all your edges out. Probably shouldn't have wore earrings. Just pop these out real quick. So now you want to pick your poison. You know what I'm saying? I want to use today. It's between Style Factor, Exclusive Lux, and She Is Bomb. We can go with Exclusive Lux. And I'm telling y'all, follow Exclusive Lux on Instagram. Hair and Lash Company, okay? This is what it look like. Her stuff is bomb. She not only sells edge control, she sells hair, she sells lashes. Her lashes are bomb. She sells, is that it? Hair, lashes? Yeah, hair, lashes, edge control, bundles. Y'all know I don't know nothing about the weave life, so I think it's bundles. It gotta be bundles. Okay, so wet your edge brush. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna go in with it. Okay, make sure you just dab your brush in there. Okay, and depending on where you want your edges to go, how you want your edges to be, you just go ahead and do that thing. Okay, so okay. Oh, sloppy. All right, too much. And then you just take your finger, you know, and do some little swoops, you know what I'm saying? Depending on how your hairstyle is, of course, because if I had a bun, like a real top knot bun, I could show y'all how I definitely lay my baby hair. But because there's extra hair out and it's not just solely my edges, it's a little bit difficult. But if I had a nice sleek bun, I could definitely show y'all how to do some edges. And I will redo this video over when I get a nice sleek bun and show y'all what's that be looking like, you know what I'm saying? Some people don't like to gel their sideburns, but I do. You know what I'm saying? It's all preference at the end of the day. So now that that's done how you like, and you're gonna let it sit, okay? Now this is called letting your edges set, because if you don't do this step, your edges might come up, or you know, yeah. And you have to make sure that you use not too much, but then again not too little, because if you use too little, your edges might come up a little bit, but if you use too much, you might get a white residue. You know what I mean? So I guarantee you it's not the edge control, because some people complain like, oh my god, this stuff made my turned my edges white, or left, you know, crusty, you know, it left crusty stuff on my edges. And it's like, no sis, you just use too much. You just use too much. You can't be heavy-handed with the edge control. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the case with all of these. Like all of these, if I use too much, it doesn't matter what brand. Oh Jesus, okay, we rolling. It doesn't matter what brand you use. If you use too much, your edges are gonna turn white. And all tell all. So we're gonna wait a minute, and I'll come back and show y'all the finished results. And yeah. Well, I do need a thumbnail. Wait a minute. Okay, I'll do my thumbnail later. All right. So that was about maybe 10 minutes that I was gone. So let's see what we're working with. Just gonna... Okay, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, let's do the... Okay, rub test so y'all know. You feel me? Ain't going nowhere. And I use the Exclusive Luxe Edge Control. Exclusive Luxe Hair and Lash Company Edge Control. Stronghold for all hair types. I'm telling y'all, I don't play when it comes to doing my hair. Like, I don't know when y'all are gonna understand that. Like, all these edge controls, I had to get a thumbnail. Okay. But yeah, I don't play when it comes to my hair or my edges. Like, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All that. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you guys for supporting me, subscribing, liking, commenting. Even if you dislike the video, you are still a supporter in my eyes, because you watched. You know what I'm saying? Like, you watched my video. You took the time out of your day to watch and dislike a video. But support is support. Like, haters support you too. So thank y'all so much for doing that. On the road to 300 subscribers, then on the road to 500, then thousands, you know what I mean? So there are big things coming from my channel, and I just appreciate every single last one of my subscribers. And hair companies that mess with me, and I was gonna say, okay, I gotta stop cussing. Okay, hair companies that, you know, mess with me, thank you. And yeah, all right, I'm finna go. I'm doing too much. Bye.